Dixit comments to pledge. India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be much of it. I shall give my parents and my teachers respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. India will be Empress Party. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today, news bulletin is brought to you by Ceruleans of Grade-VIII Cerulean. International and national news is brought to you by John Wesley from Grade-VIII Cerulean. International news. India is looking to deepen global aviation partnership. Wings India 2036 years civil aviation. Ram Mohan Naidu. National news. BJP's national president Nitin Nabin to visit West Bengal today. Thank you. Sport news is brought to you by K. from Grade-VIII Cerulean. Sport news. Hyderabad police launch a driving system to overall car duty allocation. Sport news. Suryakumar jumps 5 sports to 7th in latest ICC T20 ranking. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Everyone, today weather forecast is brought to you by UKDS from Grade-VIII Cerulean. Maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 20 degrees Celsius, wind speed 8 km per hour, precipitation 0%, humidity 45%. That's the end of news bulletin. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Pratik from Grade-VIII Cerulean. Today's word is brought to you by Pratik from Grade-VIII Cerulean. Word gratitude. It means the feeling of being thankful. Friends, please spell after me. Gratitude. 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 Thank you. Today's thought is brought to you by V. Krishna Prasad from Grade-VIII Cerulean. One book is equal to 100 friends, but one good friend is equal to one library. Once again I repeat, one book is equal to 100 friends, but one good friend is equal to one library. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's GK questions is brought to you by Julfikar of Grade 7. Question for Grade 7. What is the remainder when 7 power 100 is divided by 6? Yes, we pick the correct answer and the answer is 1. Let us update them. Question for Grade 8. What is the golden ratio approximately?
1.68.
Yes, you pick the correct answer and the answer is 1.618. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. The sum of two numbers is 15 and product is 54. What are the numbers?
6 and 9.
Yes, you pick the correct answer and the answer is 6 and 9. Let us appreciate them. Open question number 1. The first 50 odd numbers, the sum of first 50 odd numbers is? Yes, you pick the correct answer and the answer is 2500. Let us appreciate them. Question number 2. The 25% of 240 is? 25% of 240 is?
60.
Yes, you pick the correct answer and the answer is 60. Let us appreciate them. Open question number 3. The largest prime factorization is 210 is? The largest prime factorization is 210 is? Sorry, you did not pick the answer and the answer is 7. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is K. Joshna. I am from Grade-VIII Cerulean. I am here to say a speech on Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking was born on 300th anniversary of the death of Galileo. Since 1929, Hawking held the chair in mathematics at Cambridge University. He studied basic questions of origin, nature and future of the universe. Kanga asked Hawking, a fellow wheelchair user navigating life, a severe disability, inspiration and philosophy on limitation. He died on March 14, 2018 at the age of 76 years. Thank you.